This April, we're bringing you the latest in safety and training, fast, focused, and built for the real world. For trucking professionals, we've got a critical lineup, starting with defensive driving in a work zone to keep your fleet safe and on the road. Then it's an in-depth 4-part series on cargo tank rollovers, covering vehicle design, load effects, highway factors, and driver factors. Because when it comes to safety, every detail matters. For schools, we're covering life-saving techniques with first aid shock, because every second counts in an emergency. And for school bus drivers, we're taking a deep dive into instruments and brakes, keeping students safe and routes running smoothly. The new releases are ready, fast, impactful, and made for the road ahead. Train smarter, stay safer. Watch them now.